Another round of applause for Executive Chairman. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, mine is simple because I think the setting for this event was done yesterday, and I want to pay homage to all the delegates who participated in yesterday's discussions and engagements. And in particular, I want to recognize my colleague in the cabinet, Eliud Owalo, the Cabinet Secretary for ICT and the digital economy, for a beautiful job that he did together with the other colleagues, including my PS, the PS for Immigration and Citizen Services. Please, a round of applause for all those who made it a success yesterday. Your Excellency, allow me just to make 2 points. One is, of course, I join in welcoming all our friends who are coming into Kenya and Nairobi. And I am glad to learn that this forum is a forum to exchange ideas with one another as brothers and sisters from friendly countries, but also it's a forum to pick best practices globally so that Africa can move with the world at the same pace. Your Excellency, as my colleague, the PS, has said, I don't want to repeat, we have an ID system in Kenya which is semi-automated. Part of it, there's a bit of automation, but quite minimal. Going forward, we are looking at upgrading our current automated fingerprint identification system, AFIS, into an automated biometric identification system, which goes beyond the fingerprints and involves the iris and the iris, the fingerprints, as well as facial recognition. The other thing, Your Excellency, is that going forward, we are moving towards an electronic ID with a machine-readable chip and QR code, and eventually this should lead us to a digital ID system which will allow web-based ID authentication. And in the long run, transit all that into a universal, personal identifier, a unique personal identifier, which we are going to give all newborns in Kenya, and it becomes their ID when they attain the age of majority at 18. So, Your Excellency, I think we are on the right forum. This is a forum which will make us move into the digital world and move Kenya's registration of persons, Kenya's identity system to the next level. And we are very happy with the kind of cutting-edge technology that have been demonstrated during the exhibition. I welcome everyone, and I look forward to learning and picking ideas which we can integrate as the people of Kenya as we move towards modernizing our ID system. Your Excellency, allow me, before I invite you, to recognize the ministers who are present by just reading out their names so that they can be acknowledged. Honorable Huria Ali Mahdi is the State Minister for Innovation and Technology from the Federal Republic of Ethiopia. We have Tesfaye Daba Watkira, who is the Cabinet Affairs State Minister from the Republic, again, of Ethiopia, the Federal Republic of Ethiopia. The Honorable Yusuf Masauni is the Minister for Home Affairs of the United Republic of Tanzania. The Honorable Mamadou Adamu Soleil is the Interior Minister of the Republic of Niger. The Honorable Ahmed Mwalim Fiki Ahmed is the Interior Minister of the Republic, the Federal Republic of Somalia. The Honorable Tegu Setiabudi is the Deputy Minister for the Ministry of Home Affairs from the Republic of Indonesia. And of course, my brother Eliud is here, the Minister for ICT and the Digital Economy of the Republic of Kenya. At this juncture, I request that we be all upstanding as we invite His Excellency, President of the Republic of Kenya, William Ruto, to address us. Welcome, Your Excellency.